Frontal attack being launched by Anurag Thakur on the Congress party, on the opposition. Anurag Thakur has named Congress party's chief Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha of allegedly having a role to play in a Karnataka land grab. Anurag Thakur has accused Mallikarjun Kharge saying that he's been named. He's also said there are other Congress party leaders who've been named in the Karnataka land grab. Of course, the Congress party was quick to hit back, asking the speaker, asking the chair to ensure that Mallikarjun Kharge's name is not taken. So Anurag Thakur has accused the opposition of usurping land in the name of the Waqf board. He said the Narendra Modi government wants to bring in reforms, but the Congress and the opposition are against reforms because a select few in the name of Waqf board have usurped land, and he's listed out certain names, certain states, certain alleged corruption cases. And this has led to a frontal war, virtual frontal war between the Congress and the BJP on the Waqf Amendment Bill. But this is a direct attack on the Congress party. According to Anurag Thakur of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Waqf Amendment Bill is the last nail in the coffin of appeasement politics. Tushtikaran ki rajniti ka antim sanskar, or words to that effect, is what Anurag Thakur said in Lok Sabha just moments ago. But since 12 o'clock this afternoon, it's been over 5 hours now, close to 5.5 hours. There's been one heated debate after the other on the contentious Waqf Amendment Bill. The ruling BJP insisting, BJP and allies, you also heard Lalan Singh of the JDU very, very clearly. They're saying that this is for the betterment of Muslims. It's for the betterment of women, of children, and of the community. They're quoting the Sachar committee, where 12,000 crore rupees should have been generated from this kind of property that the Waqf has. It's only generated between 163 to 167 crore rupees. Where is the rest of the money? Who is pocketing that money? That's the question that the ruling party is raising in Lok Sabha as it seeks Waqf reforms.